Hello friends, let's enter exercise 11.4 question number 1 evaluate. They have given 3 sub questions. Let us solve each of them. So first sub question they have given 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. So this is the sub question they have given. We have to solve this. So here what I did, I have just converted the all trigonometric terms in terms of sine and cos. Okay. It means tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta, secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta, cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta, cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. Clear? So after this, in this bracket, I will take here cos theta as LCM. When you take cos theta as LCM, cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. So here when you take sin theta as LCM, what do you get? Sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. So here entire LCM I will take as cos theta into sin theta. Okay. Here bracket means multiplication. Okay. So here plus is there, no? So what will I write here? Sin theta plus cos theta plus 1. Addition I can write it in any format. The solution will remain same. Correct? So here I will write it again. Sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. When you write it like this is the format. See here. When you assume this as k and this also becomes a k. Correct? See, sin theta plus cos theta, I am assuming it as k. Here also it becomes k. When you see here, k plus 1 into k minus 1, what is the formula? It's nothing but it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, which can be written as a square minus b square. Correct? See, when you write it here, k plus 1 into k minus 1, it's nothing but k square minus 1. Correct? K square minus 1 square will get it as k square minus 1. So when you apply the same formula here, let's see what do we get. A square means sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1 square divided by cos theta into sin theta. Write in brackets, since a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. We applied this formula for this step. Clear? So after that, what will I do? This is in the form of a plus b whole square, which can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into sin theta into cos theta. Cos theta minus 1 square, it will be 1 only, by cos theta into sin theta. So in the next step, what happens? When you see here, this part, we know that as per trigonometric identities, cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. So in this place, can I substitute 1? Yes. So 1 plus 2 into sin theta into cos theta minus 1 divided by cos theta into sin theta. Write in brackets, since cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. Okay. So based on this formula, we have substituted 1 here. And this, write it here, since a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Clear? So 1 and 1 will be cancelled off. So 2 sin theta into cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. See, a into b or b into anything is same. So this and this will be cancelled off. We'll be getting the solution as 2 for the sub question 1. Okay. See here, wherever you have just substituted or wherever you got elaborated, just write the same formulas here. See, this from this step I got this because of this formula, which is a plus b into a minus b. It's nothing but a square minus b square. So this is in the form of again a plus b whole square, which can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. So again this is as per trigonometric identity, cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. Clear? So the answer for sub question 1 is 2. In the same way, let's solve remaining sub questions also. This is sub question 2. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. When you see here, let us think this sin theta as A and cos theta as B. So this will be written as A plus B whole square. In the same way, this term can be written as A minus B whole square. So we know that A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square equals to 2 into A square plus B square. So I have just written the same thing here, equals to, what can we write it? 2 into, what is in the place of A here? It is sin theta whole square plus cos theta whole square. Correct? Write in brackets, since A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square equals to 2 into A square plus B square. This is the formula which we have learnt in our class 6. Okay? This is plus here. So what do we get here? 2 into sin theta whole square can be written as sin square theta. I told you in the video, concept video. Okay? This is also cos square theta. So this is as per the trigonometric identity, which we have proved that cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. In this place we can substitute 1. 2 into 1, write in brackets, since cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. Okay, so 2 into 1, you'll get the answer as 2. Simple it is. It's based on the formula. It's the easiest way. Okay, so in case you want to elaborate this and you want to substitute everything, it's up to you. Okay, this is the easiest formula, I feel. Just write the same formula, substitute it and put the trigonometric identity formula. It's simple. Okay, so let's solve sub question 3 now. See here, this is sub question 3 they have given. Secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1. I have just written here whatever was given. So by seeing these two terms, what did you recall? The trigonometric identity formulas. Did you remember them? So what are those? We know that secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Correct? So from this, what can we write here? Secant square theta, when I send this 1 to the left hand side and tan square theta to the right hand side, what does it become? So secant square theta minus 1 equals to tan square theta. Correct? So from this relation, can I write it like this? Yes, you can write. So here again, cosecant square theta, we also know this. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. It means we can write that cosecant square theta minus 1. When I send this 1 to the left hand side and cot square theta to the right hand side, this will come. Cosecant square theta minus 1 equals to cot square theta. Now what will I do? I will put this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Okay. This is the question they have given, right? So what will I write? Let me continue it here. Secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1 equals to secant square theta minus 1. Can I write it as tan square theta? Yes, you can write. So tan square theta into cot square theta. Write in brackets, since from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2 you got this. Okay. So after this, what is cot theta? It's nothing but 1 by tan theta. Cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta. So here tan square theta into 1 by tan square theta, since cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. We know this, right? So in the place of cot I have written 1 by tan. So cot theta whole square means 1 by tan theta whole square. So tan theta whole square means you'll be getting tan square theta, or else you can write it directly like this. So cot square theta equals to 1 by tan square theta. Tan square theta will be cancelled off. We'll be getting the answer as 1. Clear? So this is the solution for question 3. So I hope you like the explanation. In case you like my video, Do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you.